How can I help my criminal case? That's a great question. And the best results in criminal cases, in a case where there's going to be a plea or a guilty verdict, is when the client can team up with the lawyer and help the lawyer help them. And what I mean by that is, if you're facing a criminal sentence because you're going to plead guilty in some sort and you're looking for some sort of better deal or a better sentence, some things that you can do are considering, for example, writing an apology letter to the victims. And usually you want to send that to your lawyer and have your lawyer look it over and make suggestions, not send it directly to the victims. In fact, sometimes there might be a no contact order, but there are ways legally to do that where you don't get in trouble for that. Second thing, things like treatment. If you've got something underlying what got you there, getting an assessment and any treatment necessary can be helpful there, whether it's alcohol, drugs, sex issues, or gambling, or what have you. Another thing, sometimes there's what's called restorative justice, and there is some resistance to this, and not all places offer it. But I have seen incredible things happen in some felony criminal cases where someone was facing a lot of prison time, and as a result of getting together with the victim's family, and there's usually a mediator there that runs these things, the prosecutor and the defense lawyer are there. There can be true healing in some of these meetings. Most of the time they work really well. Not all of the time, but most of the time I've seen them work really well. And it can help true healing happen for the victims' families and the victims themselves, as well as for a defendant and in their case as well. And you can get some amazing results in cases there. And sometimes that can deliver more than any criminal sentence ever can in terms of justice or mercy for either side. So those are some ways that you can help yourself. Make sure you do ask your lawyer, how can I help myself in this case? I'm criminal defense attorney Ryan Pacyga. If you have any questions about criminal cases, you can find me at arrestedmn.com or call me at 612-339-5844.